This is the Princess Cruise to Alaska everyone's talking about. You'll sail past ancient glaciers, spot whales from your balcony, and explore towns that feel frozen in time, all from a luxury ship designed for panoramic views. And right now, Princess is offering limited-time promotions, instant savings, and even free third and fourth guests on select sailings. Let's walk through the full itinerary, and I'll show you how to book your dream cruise before these deals disappear. Day 1. Depart from Vancouver, Canada. Your adventure begins in Vancouver, Canada, one of the most scenic departure ports in the world. Modern city, mountain views, ocean breeze. This is where your princess journey starts. You'll board the Royal, Grand, or Sapphire Princess, all glacier-ready ships built for comfort, breathtaking views, and smooth sailing through Alaska's rugged coastlines. From the moment you step on board, it begins. Crew welcomes you warmly. The atrium glows with elegance. Your stateroom awaits. Grab a drink, explore the decks, or just watch the Vancouver skyline fade behind you as you sail under the Lions Gate Bridge. The urban world vanishes. The wild begins. Pro tip: if you booked a balcony, this is your first golden hour moment. Don't miss it. Day 2. Inside Passage sailing. This isn't just a sea day. You cruise through narrow fjords lined with mountains and forests on both sides. The water is glassy, calm, and deep green, reflecting the clouds and trees like a mirror. You're surrounded by nature on every side, and the wildlife shows up. Humpback whales breaching in the distance. Sea lions resting on rocky shores. Orcas slicing the surface. Bald eagles soaring overhead. Princess makes this day unforgettable with naturalist talks on deck, hot chocolate service, and cozy lounges. Hot tubs where you can soak while watching glaciers pass by. And the silence that's haunting. Just the soft churn of water and the occasional gasp when someone spots a whale. This isn't transit, it's a moving experience. Enjoying the journey so far? Hit like and subscribe. We post Princess Cruise breakdowns, itinerary reviews, and weekly travel deals here on the channel. Day 3. Juneau, Alaska. Your first Alaskan port is Juneau, the state capital, and a launch pad for adventure. You can fly a helicopter to Mendenhall Glacier, then walk on blue ice. Join a whale-watching tour, where sightings are nearly guaranteed. Or hike to the glacier ice caves, glowing with unreal color. And when you're done, head to the forest and enjoy an authentic Alaskan salmon bake. It's classic, it's local, and it's delicious. Day 4. Skagway, Alaska. Welcome to Skagway, a gold rush town frozen in time. Wooden sidewalks, vintage saloons, and mountain views in every direction. Top things to do here. Take the iconic White Pass and Yukon Route Railway, climbing up cliffs with insane scenery. Go dog sledding on snow, even in summer. Or zipline through alpine forests for a thrill with a view. Skagway is where old Alaska meets outdoor adrenaline. Day 5. Glacier Bay National Park. This is the day people book the cruise for. You'll sail into Glacier Bay National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, where only a handful of ships are allowed each day. Here you'll witness massive tidewater glaciers, towering and blue. Chunks of ice crashing into the sea. Rangers on board, narrating the history and science of this icy wilderness. There are no shops, no ports, no noise, just you, the ship, and nature at its most epic. Day 6. Ketchikan, Alaska. Your final Alaskan port is Ketchikan, known as the salmon capital of the world. Here's how to make the most of it. Walk the famous Creek Street, a boardwalk over the water once filled with saloons. Visit Saxman Native Village, home to some of the tallest totem poles in the world. Or take a float plane into the wilderness to spot brown bears catching salmon in real time. It's wild, colorful, and deeply cultural, your last Alaska stop, and one of the most memorable. Day 7. Return to Vancouver. Your final day is a return sail through the Inside Passage back toward Vancouver. After 6 days of exploration, it's the perfect time to reflect. Watch the mountains fade, the oceans stretch wide, and soak in one last sunrise from the top deck. grab your camera. This is your closing chapter shot. Want to experience this exact cruise yourself? Princess Cruises is currently offering exclusive, limited-time deals, including instant savings, free third and fourth guests on select sailings. But these promos change weekly, so don't wait. Call now, 1-800-901-1172, extension 41064. Or follow us, where we post cruise tips, itineraries, and unbeatable deals every week. If this video helped you imagine your dream trip, give it a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. We've got more cruise breakdowns, exclusive princess itineraries, and Alaska travel tips coming soon. Don't miss your next destination.